Hi everyone, welcome to Vishwaplom. So in this video we'll be looking at AM3 matrices class 8 challengers. So let's start. So first question is what first we will read the question. See, which of the following matrices are not singular, non-singular? If the matrix is non-singular, find its inverse. So first, in the question they have used one word, non-singular. So I have to explain about it, right? And if it is non-singular, find it inverse. That and all also I will explain clearly. First, non-singular, singular I will explain. Non-singular matrix and singular matrix. So non-singular matrix means the node of the determinant whatever is there, that determinant should not be equal to 0. And the singular means the determinant of a whatever it is there, that should be equal to 0. If in case it is not equal to 0, it is going to be in the category of non-singular. Okay, so singular means only 0, non-singular means from 1 to infinity. I think you understood this. Now let's get back to the question. So they didn't give us a matrix of A, but I have written it for my easiness, so you could understand easily. Like wherever if I find the node of A, I'll just simply write it, so you'll understand this full matrix node we are going to find. So for that simplicity, that's why I wrote like this. So 2, 3, 5, 8 is our matrix. So first we will find the node for it. So node, how to find that node is very simple. Just first you put that node icon, and how we should find this. Now 2 in the matrix we have the 2, 3, 5, 8, isn't it? So here node finding is very simple. First cross multiply these 2 into 8. So 2 into 8 is 16, right? Now minus 5 into 3. So 5 into 3 is 15. So that one is going to be node of 1. Node of 1 is 1. So if it is node of minus 1 also, is going to be plus 1. Because whatever is there inside the node, it's inside these nodes. So these two are, there are no lines. These two are called as node. So whatever is there inside that, it's surely going to be positive. If whatever condition it is. If it is negative also, it's going to be positive itself. Okay. So just now we discussed about the non-singular and singular matrices, right? So 1, if it is 1, it's going to be it's non-singular, right? So matrix that A is non-singular, you have to write it. Okay, so if it is non-singular, we have to find the inverse. It's been given in the question, so we have to do the same, right? So let's do. So inverse is nothing but like this. So the power, negative power will be there, right? So that formula we have is 1 by node of A to formula I'm writing first. Okay, it is D minus B minus C A. So what is this actually? D, B minus C minus A. So the question itself, now only we discuss this 2, 3, 5, 8, right? So here we will consider this first number as A, B, C and D. So we are going to consider it like this. So according to this, I have written this formula actually. So now A is there, so it will be here down. Now B, it's going to be minus B and it's going to be in the same place only, second place. But these two will exchange their places, 8 and 2. The D and A, and it will become, these two will become negative. Okay, so that's it, simple part only. Hope you all understood this. It's easy only. So now let's get back to this question. So now what we have to do is just simply put that value here. Now this node of A, just now we found that is 1, right? So 1 by 1 into, that is matrix 1, 3, minus 2, 3. And so minus B, right? Minus 3. Sorry, I have written the wrong value. 8 minus 3 minus 5 plus 2. sorry, I've written the wrong values. So this is the answer. So A inverse is going to be 1 by 1 is 1 only, so no need to specifically write it. So 8 minus 3 minus 5, 2 is the answer for this first bit. Now we'll see the second bit. So second bit we have A is equal to 3 minus 3, 2, 1. Fine. So how to solve this is same way. First we have to find whether it is singular or non-singular. So now 3 into 1 is 3 minus, so minus 3 into 6, sorry, minus 3 into 2 is minus 6. So minus into minus is plus, right? So plus 6 is going to be 9. So note it will be there again, it will become 9 only, so I'm not writing. So what it is, so A is non-singular. Clear? So now what we can say, we have to find the inverse for it, as you all know, I explained also. So A by node of A, there again the formula D minus B minus C and A, this A. So here 1 by this node A, just now we found it's 9. So we will put it 9 there, and D is 1 minus B is plus 3, because minus into minus 3 is plus 3. So that's what. Now minus C, minus 2, and A is 3, isn't it? So once again I will erase this part and I will rewrite it. Okay, so I think it's clear now. So we have this 1 by 9. No, so how we are going to solve is this by 9 is there, no 1 by 9. We are going to multiply with each and every number over there, like 1 into 1 by 9. So it's going to be 1 by 9, 3 by 9 minus 2 by 9, 3 by 9, right? So let's write that here. 1 by 9, 3 by 9 minus 2 by 9, 3 by 9. Now 1 by 9 you can't cancel anymore, just put it as 1 by 9. 3 by 9 you can cancel, 3 ones are and 3 twos are. So 1 by 2, and this minus 2 by 9 also you can't cancel, and 3 ones are, 3 threes are. So 1 by, sorry, yeah, here also 3, sorry, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. So this is the answer for second bit. Now we will see second main. Now second bit, so here they have given us one matrix here, that is B matrix 1 2 1 3. Then we have to find B plus B matrix is equal to 4i. So here in this sentence we have something called 4i. So you will not be able to understand. So B inverse, just now we learned that A and A inverse. In the same way we can find, you can understand that. But what is this 4i, you will have doubt. So 4i, first we will discuss what is this I. So I means identity matrix. So identity matrix, how it is going to be, it's like 1 0 0 1. That means it should have the same numbers here, but here it should be zeros. Okay, so 4i means like here it should be 4004. Okay, that is called 4i. So here normal unit identity means 1 will be there. 4 into I means 4 should be multiplied, right, to 1. So that's why 4 is there. So if this comes, then this is proved. Okay, so let's start this question. First, for finding here, first inverse we have to find, right, here for this where we are using that, we need inverse. So for that B inverse we will find. So B inverse formula is 1 by node of B, then D minus B minus C A. So you have to remember this formula, because for everything finding inverse you have to do this. Now here this node of B we have to find, right? So how to find, I already explained. cross multiply. 1 into 3 it's 3 minus 2 into 1 is 2. So that is node of 1 only. Okay. If you want, you can write that identity thing which I explained to side, like 1 0 0 1. You just write it to side and keep it. Okay. Now this one you will put the answer 1 by 1. D is 3 minus 2 minus 1 1. So this is the thing, right? Like solved version when we solve it. So now B inverse also we found. Now D plus B inverse is equal to 4i. In this formula we are going to put it. So let's put it there. So 1 2 1 3 plus 3 minus 2 minus 1 1 is equal to 4i. So how, instead of here only LHS we have to solve first. For finding RHS only LHS we have to find. So let's add this up. So 1 plus 3 minus 2 2 minus 2, then 1 minus 1, 3 plus 1. So here 1 plus 3 4, 2 minus 2 0, 1 minus 1 0, 3 plus 1 4. So just now I explained. So 4 0 here once again I will erase this. 0 4. This is nothing but 4i I explained just now. So hence it is proved, right? Now we will see the third question. So third question, so they gave us one matrix, that is P is equal to matrix of 1 4 0 minus 1. Then we have to show that P is equal to its own inverse. That's why I wrote P equal to P inverse. That icon I wrote directly so that you can understand it also, right? Yeah. So now how to solve this? First inverse we have to find. No, like question only is based on that inverse. So we will find the inverse first. P inverse. What is the formula? First we will see. The formula is 1 by AD minus BC. So this is the actual thing what I was writing this much time. No, like AD minus BC only. No, 1 into minus 1, 4 into 0. That is only what we are doing. So that's what we can directly write, or else in that form which I gave also you can write. So this is the formula, right? Now P inverse is this this one we will write now. 1 by AD is minus 1 and BC is 0. Then minus 1 minus 4 0 1. Then it is going to be minus 1 minus 0 means it is minus 1, right? Obviously. So whatever is there inside the note, if it is minus also it is going to be plus. I already explained. So 1 by 1 only. So no need to do anything. So answer whatever it is there. No. First 1 into is there. Remember that. Minus 1 minus 4 0 1. Now what is the answer going to be? Here minus will be there, but if you take like that also, 1 minus is there. Minus 1. So what we are going to do? We are going to multiply with each and every term. Like minus to every term means minus into minus is plus, minus into minus is plus. So 4 minus into, you can't multiply that to 0. No, not applicable. 0 only. Then minus into minus 1, minus 1. So here hence it is proved, right? Hence proved that P is equal to P inverse. Okay, so this is the answer. From next question onwards we will see in the next video. Do like, share and subscribe to Vishwa Blooms, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get the latest updates and all our notifications. Thanks for watching our video. Bye.